Determinant and Inverse of matrix on Casio fx-991EX Classwiz. We have an example, we have a matrix there, you can see it, and we would like to find out determinant and inverse of it. I'm going to use Casio 991EX scientific calculator emulator. If you want to know how to download it, you can click the link at the top. So let me quickly go to matrix. Alright, and I'll define a matrix. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix. I'll say 3 rows, 3 columns, and let me just define it. 12, 5, 2, 7, 3, 9, -1, 0, and 4. So our matrix is defined, and we would like to find the determinant of it. I'll push option, and I'll select determinant 2. Again, I'll go to option and I'll select my matrix that was 3, matrix A. I'll close bracket though it is not required and hit equals to. There you go. So the value of determinant of the given matrix is -35. Now we would like to find out inverse of this matrix. So for inverse, you can select the matrix that is your mat A 3, and you can use this button x inverse. Please do not use raised to the power -1. If you use raised to the power -1, it would not give you an answer. So it is always recommended that you use this inverse function before sign, and there you go, you have the inverse of this matrix as well. This is very useful for SAT or A-level examination, so please get used to it, whatever calculator you use it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for our future videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day ahead.